Alright, we are at, I believe it's 780 West 6th Avenue. We ran out of power halfway through this one and had to go get our plugs and everything and get wired up. That's why you're looking at this one in reverse. What you're staring at is the city sewer. It has been relined. We have a clay tile section still out here. There was a repair done, but it didn't include the tap, but that's okay. The tap looks great. So does all this. We do have some problems in this sewer though, and we're going to be pausing to do some locating because there are multiple areas where there is actually damage in the pipe. And because it's multiple areas, we're going to locate most of it starting right here at the PVC and back to the house. So we're going to pause right there. Okay, so we're going to back up through here. This last section is actually pretty good. We do have an offset right there, but coming up here in just a little bit, you see a big old hole in the top of the pipe at about 26 feet back from the tap. I'm going to locate this exact spot. Pause here again. Alright, so we've located that. Get a nice stretch of pretty decent pipe again. And then you have this cracked area here where you get cracks in multiple different directions, a gap opening up in the bottom and some settling occurring. That's one that's definitely losing some water and over time has a really good chance of getting worse. We'll pause there. Alright, so we'll keep coming back. You have stretches of just really good pipe. It's just annoying that we have these periodic areas of damage. There's a 360-degree crack right there, but that one's nearly a perfect circle and hasn't moved at all. Same there. It's two more 360-degree cracks. This is our longest stretch of good pipe, but then once again, right there, big swirling crack. So we'll pause there. Alright, so I think that's the last major damage until we get to where the cast meets the clay, where there's also a crack there. Offset right there. That one didn't really give us a whole lot of problems getting over it. And there's where our cast goes to clay, and you can see the multiple directions of damage the cracks are taking there. They're up on the top forming a V, and then they X, and then they're cracking on the left as well. So we'll locate this, and that'll be the end of the locating. Okay, so that was our unfortunate clay tile. Our cast iron was better. There's where our lateral came in. We're in a dry branch now serving this downstairs roughed-in bathroom. This hasn't seen water in 40 years. We are going to run from that other clean out just to see what that looks like. Now we'll show you the little jail cell that goes by bathroom as a name. We'll pause here until we get moved to the other clean out. Okay, since that branch over there wasn't the most active branch, we are right here in the back door. There's a big 4-inch clean out right in the closet. We're going to go down this and just double check what our more active portion of the cast iron looks like. Don't expect problems with it, but figured we better make sure. And there's our turn. It's going to be a tough turn. That's a big open hole without much sweep, but we've been right down through there from the other side. So this is just fine. So, camera didn't like that, whatever that was. Alright, so we'll stop right there.